Hello guys, if you are looking to unlock the download too slow achievement in MLB The Show 26, there's really a quick way to do it, and the best place I have found is in storylines mode. From the main menu, go into the Willard Brown storylines, then select the sixth movement called Broken Bats. This challenge works really well because almost every time you make contact, the ball ends up in a similar spot after it bounces off the outfield wall. That gives you more than enough time to keep running around the bases and set up the achievement. As soon as you hit the ball, keep advancing and continue running all the way toward the home plate. When you are getting close to scoring, you'll see a swim move prompt appear on the screen. The moment that prompt shows up, use the right stick and flick it in the direction shown. If you react in time and successfully perform the swim move toward the tag, the achievement should unlock right away. What's nice about this method is that storylines movement is extremely easy to replay. If you miss the prompt or don't get the animation, simply restart the challenge and give it another shot. Overall, this is easily one of the quickest and most reliable methods for unlocking the download too slow achievement in MLB The Show 26. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.